Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing good. So welcome back once again. Today we will be analyzing why the Indian currency is becoming weaker against the dollar. We'll check when FI is going to come back and we'll also analyze the FII DIS data for the coming 1 week ahead. So let's begin. Before that we'll see with an example why US has parked their money in Indian market. First of all, India is a developing economy, it also known as emerging market. So let's get into an example here. Present scenario, Indian 10 years bond yield. It means the fixed deposit is 6.829 and whereas US 10 years treasury it is at 4.617. So difference between these two is 2.21. So if US they want to invest, like institutions or bank, they have a huge money, they want to park their money for a coming 10 years, so they are getting only 4.67 in their country. If they want to deposit in India, the appreciation of both the difference is 2.21 percentage. So more they are going to earn. So that's why they will deposit their money in Indian market because it's a developing economy. So here let's see one example. In 2024, the Indian currency exchange rate was 83. So they got $1 lakh that turned into 83 lakhs, and at present scenario at 2025, $1 lakh and the currency exchange rate is 86.21, so it is has been appreciated by 86 lakhs 21,000, so the profit will be 3 lakh 21,000. So in 1 year this is the appreciation they got in only currency appreciation for US people. So what made to increase this dollar? One thing is that when they got the $1 lakh in 2024, they have purchased the shares in Indian market at a very lower level, one thing, and also they have deposited the money because due to some geopolitical issues, or it can be the inflation data and any global war they were predicting. That's why they have parked their money. So now they are withdrawing their money. So there is a huge demand for dollar and a very less demand for Indian INR. So the main reason is this two to strengthening the USD. And is it good for India? As of now, it is not good for India, but the exporters of Indian companies, those who are exporting steel, cements, they are in benefit now because if they used to sell at 83, now they are getting 86. So this is good for the exporter. But do Indian is exporting much things? No, we are in deficit always, currency deficit. Like China is in super surplus because they have huge dollars ahead, but Indians don't have huge dollars. Okay, because we are not an exporting country as of now, we are importing countries. We like importing lots of things from foreign countries because we don't trust our companies, or we can say we don't have quality product, or else we are still not manufacturing those the other countries are manufacturing. So earlier in my analysis video we have discussed the market is going to correct more, and I have given some set of target for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we are almost there. So we will check the FI and DIS open interest data now, and we'll see for coming week what's going to happen. So let's begin with FII. In future index long they were having a 16% and short they were having 84%, and this is as of 17th Jan. And now we are comparing with this yesterday's data, that is Jan 24th. So what they did, they have increased their longs, reduced their short by 4%, and in option index call they were having 1.46 lakhs of call buying, and here call buying has been increased by 13,000 contract, and in put buying they have reduced the put buying by 1.21 lakh contract. So what it represent, it is stating they have a negative position options and they are covering their shorts. And in cash market they have sold for 2758 crores. Client are the retailers, and they have done nothing. I believe they have 71.5, let's assume 72 percentage longs and 28 percentage short. Now they have unwinded only 1% long and increased 1% short. They have 71% long, 29% short. And in option index call they were having a 2.44 lakh of call buying. Most of the contract they have unwinded in loss. Now they have 59,000 contract of call writing. Now they become negative here. And in put they were having 6.41 lakh of put writing contract. Put writing has been increased by 3,000 contract. So here they are very much positive in options and as well in future index also. And we have seen they have sold for 406 crores. So see now what will happen, client will become negative, they will start selling everywhere, and FI will start buying at a lower price the stocks. This has been proved at after COVID 2021. We have seen that proprietor in future earnings they were having 46% long and 54% short. Today they have 44% long and 56% short. They have reduced the long, increased the short. They still having a little bit of negative bias. Option index call they were having 3.91 lakh of call writing contract. Call writing has been reduced by 2.89 lakh contract, and in put they were having 47,000 contract of put buying contract. Put buying has been increased by 1,40,000 contract. So he they are very much negative in options as well. They are neutral to negative in futures and cash market. We have seen they sold for only 1.48 crores. So what is the take from this data? We have seen FII started buying they long in futures and reducing the short. It means they are going to turn positive. I am not sure, but we have to check for one more week. They are keep on unwinding their short and increasing their long. It means they are bullish now. One thing, and meanwhile this promoter also do the same thing. We can go long from here. So it is just wait and watch for one more week. Now let's check the change in OI. So Nifty expiry will be 30. This is a monthly expiry. So we have to be very cautious. We can make our break in this. So lot size will be 25 and futures running at 23,100 and spot running at 23,100. So major support comes around 23,000. If this level is broken, we can see a good fall of 500 points also. So we can see a very good resistance coming forward from 23,200 to 23,450, 23,500. But we don't have a major support levels. A good resistance we can see, but we don't have a good support levels. So it is still wait and watch for 1-2-3 days. So the OI buildup will change. We will come to know what's going to happen in this expiry. So in this expiry, a short covering can happen. A call buyer can also make a very good money. Bank Nifty expiry will be 30 Jan and this is a monthly expiry. Lot size is 15 and future running at 48,375 and spot at 48,350. So we have seen an unwinding of call writing at 49,500 and they have come up at this level 49,200. So the resistance is becoming more stronger here and the major support comes around 48,000. So 48,000 is almost a 350 points away from here. The probability of touching this is quite possible and few people carry forwarding 48,500 short straddle here and major resistance is at 49,000. Now let's begin to technical analysis. Before that, few updates. By now most of them knows that how the crypto is moving higher day by day. So all the equity cash is been moving to cryptos and bond money is also moving to equity versus cryptos. Now we have seen that in the US market. So US is very much strong now. Let's come to Indian market. India VIX at 16.745. It's very much comfortable and Nifty is at 23,100 levels. So what we have seen lots of consolidation at this level and major support what I have given prior was 22,500. So it can touch 22,500 to 22,700. The probability is quite possible, but we have to see two things. One is FII, they are unwinding their short in futures and increasing their longs in future. That is one thing. And the second, the cash inflow of FII. If there is a good news coming in this week from the FM, because we have a budget announcing on Feb 1, the data is will be released prior to all the institutions and some insider they may not be, I don't know, but maybe few people having a good news, then the market will start in the next week if it is a positive news, and if it is a negative news, again we can see some kind of a fall. So coming week is very much crucial. So I don't prefer or suggest or say anyone to hold call or put anything. Just watch the market for coming week. And one more thing, if you see the India VIX is going higher like 20, 25, 28, 30, then it is not worth to buy a call or put, because the premium will increase, you will not earn anything in buying, or else you can think of a option writing where you can make a good money at the time after hedging. So I believe there could be a short covering also in this week. In this short covering, you can see a good rally from bottom to top in Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can make a good money at call side. I'm not suggesting, this is my belief, this can happen if only FII buys. And second thing, there is a very good news from pre-budget announcements. So that's it for today, guys. If there is any good update, I will surely make a video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.